Step off the sidewalk.
Step.
Yeah, you're not allowed
You
to
can
step
review
off
any
the
of your
sidewalk.
multiple forms of video. You're fine to record us. Do your thing.
I'm not allowed to step off the sidewalk, and what else?
Into the street, correct.
And what else?
And record our computers with the criminal justice information. Not supposed to do that. So
What are you referring to?
I'm not going to talk anymore. Just don't be doing that, okay? I'm telling you, don't be recording our computer screens.
Oh,
okay?
I did it already.
Don't be doing that anymore. Okay?
I'm gonna still do it.
Well, it's not going to happen, so.
I'm gonna record it right now.
Stop recording our screens.
Nah.
We can't have you doing that. It's
You're
protected.
touching me.
Is his name on the call? No, I have my meds upstairs. Can you guys grab that? My meds are upstairs. My methadone. No, sir. I'm not that kind of guy. I want to take off my boots. They make me seem way better than I am. Is it felony or what?
So, I don't know.
I didn't do anything. So what the fuck?
I don't know. It's a felony according to what everybody else told me.
How can somebody else tell you something when you don't have the story?
Well, the thing is I need to have you in custody and safe, and you wouldn't come out and talk to me tomorrow. Okay? So I had to. I mean, I don't have any other choice. When you're going to
No, I don't understand. I was going to get arrested either way. That's period. I'm just saying, like, why don't you guys at least hear my story?
I would love to hear you. Tell me what's going on. So, do you want me to tell you what's happening? The reason why and why we were called?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we got a call that said that you were not allowing Catherine to leave the apartment.
Oh, so the kidnapping thing?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I see pictures of bruises on her arms from you that she sent to them saying that it was from you. Okay? So that's DV assault. Okay? And even though Catherine will talk to me for some reason,
Really? Seriously? Because she... the other day...
tell me. I want to know.
There's no point.
Okay, so if we only have that side of the story, if Catherine won't tell me and you won't tell me.
No, there's really nothing. It's petty.
Okay, so then all the information I have says that you kidnapped her and then assaulted her.
Yeah, no, hell no. I've lived here for
You
a
get
year.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, I've lived here for a whole year. That's my like, lady. That's my girl.
Can't find anything first. There's no RMS.
But, can you tell the officer that I need my meds?
I need to...
She can't legally have that in this
What's her
apartment.
name? I don't know what your name is.
Oh, Cole Christopher. Spell it? CHRISTOFFERS.
Say that again?
CHRISTOFFERS.
You alright? Cool. We're recording everything too. If you like a case number, I can give it to you. You could do a public disclosure request to get all the video too, so you have an accurate picture of what's going on. Just let me know, okay? Thank you, man.
2785?
Upstairs in 202.
Upstairs 202.
Yeah. I think the door's propped open if you go through there. Next building down, one more south.
Yeah, I was leaving to go to the hospital, so can you go tell her, like,
Hey, they're down in the building down over here.
Oh, they are.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not involved.
No.
Say again?
You guys have the unit number?
that's my girl.
202.
Okay, yeah. He's going to want to be checked out when you're done.
Give you middle and date of birth.
Car 270.
Do not talk to these guys. Do not talk to these guys. They're not gonna help you. There's nothing they can do to help you. They only want to hurt you. You know what I mean? Anything you say can and will be used against you. Be quiet. Don't say anything.
Come in. Hey, come in. We can't have you recording the computers. That's criminal justice information, okay? We can't have you doing that. We also can't have you step in the sidewalk. You're fine to record, do what you want, but just don't be getting in our cars and doing that stuff, okay?
Just to repeat what you said so I understand, I'm not allowed to step on the sidewalk.
Step on the street.
On the street. You said
Correct.
sidewalk though, right?
Step off the sidewalk.
Step.
Yeah, you're not allowed
You
to
can
step
review
off
any
the
of your
sidewalk.
multiple forms of video.
You can't have me step in the sidewalk. Yeah, you're not allowed
You
to
can
step
review
off
any
the
of your
sidewalk.
multiple forms of video. You're
Yeah.
fine to record us. Do your thing.
I'm not allowed to step off the sidewalk, and what else?
Into the street, correct.
And what else?
And record our computers with the criminal justice information. Not supposed to do that. So
What are you referring to?
I'm not going to talk anymore. Just don't be doing that, okay?
I'm just wondering if you're telling me not to do something, just what are you
Yeah,
referring
don't
to
be
so I know?
referring to our, don't be taking pictures of our MDTs.
I understand you're telling me that I can't record the screen. I'm just
Correct.
saying, if you're going to tell me, I just want to know why and what you're referring
I
to.
just told you. I'm not going to be baited into this anymore. I'm telling you, don't be recording our
What?
computer screens.
Oh,
okay?
I did it already.
Don't be doing that anymore.
I'm
okay?
going to still do it.
Well, it's not going to happen, so.
I'm going to record it right now.
Stop recording our screens.
Nah.
We can't have you doing that. It's
You're
protected-
touching me.
It's protected information. We can't have you doing that.
You can't stop me. You shouldn't be touching me, though. Definitely shouldn't be touching me.
And we've got an issue over here that we can't tend to right now because he's getting in our cars and obstructing our investigation. So please just let us do our thing. We've got to tend to this guy. We
Man,
can't
just
be
leave me alone.
Looking at you, looking in our cars.
Just leave me alone.
Leave us alone, please.
Just
That's
leave
all
me
we're
alone.
asking. Then stay there and leave us alone. And stop trying to look into our cars. We don't know what's going on.
I can do whatever I want, man. You can't stop me. Or,
I'm telling you to not
hey,
do that, please.
if you're giving me a lawful command like, hey, I can't really film the screen, tell me why, what you're referring to, and then I'll stop. But if you're just telling me like some bullshit, your feelings, that's not gonna work, okay? Tell me a law, tell me what I'm doing wrong, refer to it, you know, and then I'll stop doing it.
Take a step back, please.
I'm not gonna take a step back, bro.
You keep
This
moving
isn't
closer.
this isn't the Tueler drill. I'm like 5 feet away from you.
There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
going on?
Hey buddy, I'll take that case number now. Was it you who offered it to me earlier?
I did. I'll
You
give it
did?
to you once we're done. He's out here. Yeah,
All right.
just keep hanging tight. I'll give it to you.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, what's going on? You need what? Okay, they're coming over here in a second. Would it help if we roll the window down for you? Alright. Is this your car? Roll the window down for me.
What happened? I'm not sure.
Check him out in a minute.
Is that better? Alright. Fire department, they're gonna come check you out right up there. What is everything that's going on?
You know, you seem like a nice guy.
I'm not trying to be that guy, right? All I try to do is explain to people, and I think people come at some from different angles, right? And if I can explain
Well,
something, we can try
I
to
think
get
like when you come and you touch somebody on the sidewalk, then that's not very good, and you try to block their camera.
I think he was being reasonable,
Well,
but I think that maybe
these
we're
are
looking at it from different ways.
These are
right?
constitutional rights, so
He's allowed to
to
do
try to
what he- he's
block
allowed to do
them
what he
is
did.
not okay.
All of my people that I've been don't feel safe.